Next we are going to do the assembly. So in order to do the assembly, go to File and New. Then instead of part, you must select Assembly. Okay. Then the default unit system is FPS, so we don't want to use that. So untick the use default template and name it as flange coupling. And it won't take space, so we need to give an underscore. 1 second. So this is my assembly. I'm going to assemble the flange coupling. So you can give the name if you want, and from the template you must select MMNS assembly design and press OK. So you'll be provided with a similar environment just like the part design. The main difference is that instead of creating the extrude or revolve, there will be assemble options. So this is the main thing in assembly, and all the planes are there, and we can align the plane. One important thing is there, because when you are assembling, every time you need to align with one of the default planes, because when we are creating the production drawing or the machine drawing, if it is not aligned to the default planes, your front view and top view, that means orthographic projections won't look like in a normal manner. It will be inclined, sometimes it will be very confusing. So so that's why always you have to align your assembled, that is imported parts, to the default planes or default unit system. So in that case, I'm going to take the first part, click the assembly, and I'm sorry, I forgot to select the working directory. I'll close this once again. This is my working directory. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Then new, again assembly, then flange coupling, then MMNS assembly design. Then if you go to assemble, you can see all the parts. Clear? So in the past class we created the flange, disc, key, shaft, ring, everything we created. So for the assembly case, I'm going to take the flange first and open, and you don't need to do anything with the flange, because no rotation, no translatory motions, nothing need to do with this part, because first part is a very important one. When you rotate, suppose if I rotate, it will actually rotate with respect to the default coordinate system. So ഞാനിത് റൊട്ടേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇതിൻ്റെ default coordinate system നിന്ന് ഇത് മാറിപ്പോവും. So when I create the front view or top view, it is always based on the default coordinate system. So when I look from this direction, I can show you. If you look in the front view, this will be your front view.